Hey there! In this video, we're diving into a common problem that might pop up when dealing with namespaces and user-defined literals. Picture this. You have two namespaces, both defining the same UDLs, and you want to use them in the same scope without ambiguity. Tricky, right? That's our problem today. Now, let's talk about the solution to this dilemma. As I mentioned earlier, using UDLs with unqualified names can be a bit of a challenge. However, there's a neat workaround that involves creating aliases for the UDLs in each namespace. By defining alias UDLs and then using them in your code, you can bypass the ambiguity issue. It's a clever solution that allows you to keep your code clean and concise. Just craft those aliases and use them in your code to enjoy the best of both worlds. Problem solved. To wrap it all up, we've tackled a common problem when working with namespaces and user-defined literals. By creating alias UDLs, you can seamlessly use UDLs from different namespaces without running into ambiguity issues. It's a smart workaround that keeps your code organized and efficient. I hope you found this solution helpful. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!